What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, and there were some things that I just had to share with you guys. Right now it's just a great time to buy sneakers. You know, resale's down. Not for everything, but for quite a few things, resale is down, especially things that aren't super hyped. But some of us collectors, you know, there's certain pairs that we do need. And I just saw a couple things, and also with the help of some of you guys, I was able to find certain things. But yeah, let's take a look at some of these things. But yeah, look at this, the Shaq Attack. The Shaq Attack. I had a hell of a hard time trying to get mine. Well, not super hard, but I did have to do research, and I had to try to go on the Reebok website. And I was at a bar at this time, and I was like trying to sit and figure things out at 9 o'clock. Readily available, you guys. Readily available. This is the Dick's Sporting Goods website, and it is readily available right now. Size 7.5 all the way to size 13. Pretty much every size available. This fire, dude. $180, man. These are just sick. Dang, I put mine away. These are fire, dude. I did grab one of these. I didn't grab it from this website, but the fact that it is readily available, super sick. Another shoe that you guys can get right now. This is on the BSTN website. To my knowledge, I think this is in Germany, but they do ship to the United States. I just ordered a pair. Of some upcoming shoes. I'll show you guys in a sec. But the J Balvins, can you believe it? The J Balvin 2s. I know these don't have crazy resale, but to be able to get it for retail and to know that you're getting a real product, because this is, you know, this is a legit site. To be able to get it for retail, I think they only charge shipping too. They don't even charge tax. They only charge, I think, what, $10 for shipping. So that is a hell of a deal. And then the last shoe that I did want to share with you guys, man, these are the shoes that I did order. I do have one of these on the way. This is the same website, BSTN, which is I think a website in Germany, like I said. But apparently stuff does get through customs and stuff. That's kind of a pain in the butt when you order stuff from overseas. But yeah, I do got the crazy ones, you guys. These are the Kobe's. These are the Kobe's. Obviously he didn't have a contract with Kobe, you know, when he passed, so obviously they can't put Kobe's name on it. But these are the Kobe ones, the OG Kobe ones. This is Kobe's first signature sneaker. Sold out everywhere. I wasn't even able to get a pair in the United States or from the United States. Supposedly they are released and stuff, but I was not able to grab one. But yeah, I did order one from BSTN. Hopefully it doesn't take forever to get here, but yeah, they do got them available, man. 6.5 all the way to size 13. I know this isn't everybody's cup of tea, but as a Kobe fan, I did have to grab these because these are sick. These are sick. So yeah, you guys, there are pairs of things out there, especially at the Nike outlets and stuff too. Yes, resale is alive, and when the price goes down like significantly, like at the Nike clearance store, you know, when you're getting Jordans, $200 Jordans for $100, yes, obviously, you know, there's going to be resale value and stuff like that. But man, you know, things at regular price, things are available. Not everything has resale now, so great time to buy sneakers. Obviously, do not place a bunch of stuff on your credit cards. Like I've said, we should not be going into debt over sneakers, because you know, when you look at the big picture, they are just sneakers. Obviously, sneakers are a big thing for me, and I'm a huge fan. I'm a collector, and obviously I have a ton of sneakers. But yeah, don't go into debt. You guys don't go into debt. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Short video, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. I wanted some of you guys to be able to come up, pretty much like I did, because I was so happy to be able to get the Shaq Attack. I already got mine, and then to be able to get the Kobe one, so super happy. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Man, good luck, you guys. Good luck, man. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.